How to delete all watch later videos on YouTube at once. So if you want to delete all of your watch later videos on YouTube at once, then what you can do is simply open up a browser, go for the Chrome browser, and then you need to go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and you can go for extensions. And under your extensions, here you will have visit Chrome Web Store. You need to simply go for the second option, and here under the extensions you need to search for an extension which is YouTube Watch Later Assist. Once you've searched, here you will have YouTube Watch Later Assist. You will have this extension. You need to simply click on add to Chrome and then add that to your Chrome. Once you've added, now again click on add extension, and that's it, you have added that. Now you can simply go for a new tab, and then you can go for youtube.com or open up your YouTube. Once you've opened, now you can simply go for the left, which has these bunch of options. You can simply go for watch later, which is here. Click on watch later, and here you will have all of the videos, right? So if you want to remove all of the videos from your watch later, then you can simply click on remove all videos, which you see on the upper side of your screen. Click on that, and then the removal has been started. So slowly it will remove all of the videos from the watch later list. That's it. That's how you can remove or delete all of the watch later videos on YouTube at once. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment. Thanks for watching.